how to log in to Hotmail account in mobile. So if you want to log into your Hotmail account in mobile, then first of all you have to install that application. To install, you have to open up your Play Store and then search for Outlook. And here you will have your application. So I have already installed this application. So now what you have to do is open up your Outlook, which is also known as Hotmail. So for now, to log into your account, tap on add account, and then you have to enter your email address. And now you have to choose an account. And after choosing your account, here you can tap on allow. So if you want to add another account, you can tap on add, or if you don't want to add it, then you can tap on maybe later, which is on the bottom left corner. And that's it guys, that's how you log into your Outlook